This week's top threats for defenders. An actively exploited zero-day in Metabase gives attackers instant admin access. Malicious VS Code extensions are stealing developer secrets, and a new technique called Ghostjacking is turning trusted AI agents into insider threats. Let's break it down. Let's start with the most urgent threat this week, a critical zero-day in Metabase that was actively exploited in the wild before a patch was even available. The vulnerability allows a completely unauthenticated remote attacker to gain full administrative access to a Metabase instance. Let's be crystal clear about what that means. An attacker from anywhere on the internet can connect to your vulnerable Metabase server and become an administrator with no credentials required. This isn't about privilege escalation. It's a direct, unauthenticated path to total control. On the whiteboard, you can see the attack path is brutally simple. The attacker sends a single, crafted request to a specific endpoint. The application fails to perform the necessary authentication and authorization checks for this endpoint, and it proceeds to grant the session administrative privileges. From there, the attacker has the keys to the kingdom. They can access, modify, or exfiltrate any data source Metabase is connected to, manipulate dashboards, change application settings to hide their tracks, and potentially use the server's capabilities to pivot deeper into your network. Given that Metabase is often connected to sensitive production databases, data warehouses, and other critical business systems, the potential for a catastrophic data breach is extremely high. The patch is available now. Your immediate action is asset inventory and emergency patching. Identify every Metabase instance you're running, public-facing and internal, and get it updated. This is your top priority. Our second story is a classic supply chain attack targeting developers where they live, their IDE. Researchers have uncovered malicious Visual Studio Code extensions designed to systematically steal credentials, API keys, and cryptocurrency wallets. The extensions were named helper-beeps.solidity-pro and web3devtoolsx.solidity-pro. They were distributed on the OpenVSX marketplace under the publisher name Solidity Pro, a clear and effective lure for blockchain and Web3 developers who work with high-value assets daily. On the whiteboard, the attack chain is straightforward. The threat actor publishes the malicious extension to a public marketplace, often mimicking a legitimate tool. A developer seeking to improve their workflow installs it. Upon installation, a malicious payload within the extension activates. It begins scanning the local system for sensitive files, environment variables, and browser data, hunting for things like AWS keys, Git credentials, .env files, and crypto wallet private keys. This stolen data is then exfiltrated to an attacker-controlled C2 server. While these specific extensions have been removed, their GitHub repo remains active, and the core TTP is what matters. This is a critical reminder that developer environments are part of your core attack surface. You need to audit installed extensions across your engineering teams and hunt for these specific IOCs. Long-term, this incident should trigger a policy review. Implement policies to restrict extensions from untrusted publishers and continuously monitor developer endpoints for anomalous network activity. Finally, let's talk about the weaponization of AI and a new technique that should be on every defender's radar. Dubbed Ghostjacking, this attack exploits the trusted position of AI agents within a network to bypass security controls like firewalls. Here's the core concept. AI agents, especially those integrated into enterprise workflows, are often granted privileged access to internal resources. They are explicitly whitelisted through firewalls to perform their tasks. The ghostjacking technique involves an attacker feeding the AI agent a carefully crafted, malicious prompt. This could be a fake report, a deceptive API call, or other manipulated input. This input tricks the agent into initiating a connection to an attacker-controlled resource that it believes is legitimate and necessary for its task. Because the connection originates from the trusted, whitelisted AI agent, the firewall allows the traffic to pass without inspection. This effectively creates a covert C2 channel straight through your perimeter defenses. According to one report, half of all Fortune 500 companies could be vulnerable to this, which highlights a massive blind spot as AI adoption accelerates. This is a fundamental architectural problem. We are trusting these agents implicitly without fully understanding how they can be manipulated. As organizations race to deploy AI, security teams need to ask hard questions about the agent's permissions, input validation, and observability. This is the next frontier of insider threat, where the insider is a compromised autonomous agent. Now for our rapid-fire security updates. First, ransomware continues to hit the industrial sector hard. A major attack has forced Coca-Cola's Fairlife dairy operations to halt production entirely. This isn't just data theft, this is a kinetic, real-world impact that disrupts physical supply chains and highlights the OT security challenge. Second, apparel company Levi Strauss disclosed a data breach originating from a classic social engineering attack against 3 of its employees. The attacker gained access to their machines and exfiltrated corporate data, proving once again that a well-crafted phish can still be the key to bypassing technical controls. And finally, a sign of evolving TTPs in the phishing world. Researchers have spotted a new lure that cleverly disguises itself as a Windows blue screen of death. This scareware tactic aims to induce panic, tricking users into calling fake support numbers and divulging credentials or granting remote access. Always be skeptical of urgent, unexpected error messages that demand immediate action. All right, let's distill this down to actionable takeaways for defenders on the ground. 1. Patch priority. The Metabase 0-day is being actively exploited to gain unauthenticated admin access. Your first action is asset discovery. Find every instance in your environment. Your second action is to patch them immediately. This is your number one fire. 2. Supply chain and endpoint security. The malicious VS Code extensions are a direct threat to your developer fleet. Audit your developer environments now for helper-beeps.solidity-pro and web3 devtools x.solidity-pro. Beyond that, implement policies to vet and restrict extensions from untrusted publishers. Treat your IDE marketplace like any other app store. 3. Start building your AI security posture. Ghostjacking is not a hypothetical threat. Start assessing how your deployed AI agents interact with security controls. Can they be manipulated by malicious input to bypass firewalls? Model this threat and build detections for anomalous agent behavior. And 4. The human element remains critical. The Levi Strauss breach is a textbook case. Social engineering is not going away. This is a good time to review and reinforce your security awareness training, focusing specifically on recognizing sophisticated phishing and social engineering attempts. That's our briefing for this week. The key themes are patch management, developer environment security, and the emerging threats from AI. We'll be watching these trends closely. If you found this breakdown valuable, hit subscribe for more practitioner-focused threat intelligence. Stay vigilant.